Alright guys, continuing on our modifications to the Volvo. My last video you guys saw, we blacked out the back emblems and we added a spoiler to the rear. If you guys missed those videos, you can check them out right here in the corner. So the back's done. Let's add a little something to the front. I got here is a little kit we bought. We're gonna goes right over these chrome pieces. Should be an easy install. All we gotta do is clean it up, clean the area out. This has double-sided tape. Put it on here. There you go, black out the front. Step one, we're gonna get some alcohol. Isopropyl. Get some alcohol here. Gonna wipe down the areas. So the double-sided tape, put it here. Get all up in here. Inside this little part. Clean off all the bugs. Wipe down our camera. And hit this little spot right here. Alright, I bought this kit online. I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested. If you want to black out your grill here. So there's two little pieces here. This one looks like it goes up top. This bottom one, yep, put bottom. Alright, so we already wiped it down. Let's open this up. See here, you can see let's have VM already installed. See if we can peel this off without taking it off. Alrighty, got it off. Alright, I'm gonna get a little close up in here. Make sure I got everything lined up good. All debris. Just want to make sure I got. Don't want to leave any of the chrome showing. Alright. First part went pretty good. Let's do the bottom half and then we'll work on the middle. Go the bottom half. Get this 3M backing tape off. Alrighty. I want to make sure we line it up. Okay, that's on. One more piece to go. So we got a lot of pieces cut up with 3M in the back. Alright, give me a minute here to get all this tape off. This one seems to have more thicker tape. Oh, nice. One piece. Lucky day today. Alright. everything up. That's it. Nice. There you have it, guys. Blacked out Volvo Grille. Chrome delete. Again, the link is down below if you guys are interested in buying this. Alright. See, it's nice and smooth. Everything's covered up. What do you guys think? Not bad, right? Blacked out. Again, try to be a little different with the Volvo. Can't modify it like you can with tuner cars and stuff, but little things here and there make it look different. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, blacked out the grill. Black out the emblems. Added the spoiler in the back. Alright. If you guys are liking the videos, remember, drop a like, drop a follow, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.